All right, here we go. Mapleleafs27, 2 boxes of rookie anthology. 100 on the money. All right, definitely got some fat ones in here. I could feel them right when I put my hand in there. All right, I'm gonna save all fatties. Okay, make for a better end. Tom Wilson, hot rookie, and a Ben Street Prism rookie. Let's get them Leafs. Let's get him some Leafs. You want a redemption then, because Morgan Riley, most of his stuff is. Tanner Pearson, hot rookie, and a Victor Bartley, hot rookie autograph. After seeing that, you would think, right? Full case of this stuff. Kari Ramo and Marek Mrazek, rookie gear. Marek Mrazek. Nathan McKinnon, hot rookies. And Jared Stahl, luxury suite rookie jersey autograph number /99. Nice. We get a few of those per case. Mason Raymond, Matt. Oh, that was a different guy. No, I think that was a different guy. Oh no, yep, you're right. I thought of the other guy. And a Nikita Zadorov, nice Prism rookie autograph. Nikita Zadorov. Jerome McGinley, Prism. And a Mason Raymond Prism update. Yeah, they're all black. Some of them are black Prism, and they're numbered to 25, and most of them are just black, which is not numbered. Oli Mata, hot rookie, and Devin Dubnyk, select. No, they're not 101s. No. I think there are 101 parallels. I could be wrong on that. Jussi Jokinen and Kevin Connaughton, rookie. Yeah, I'm not sure why they did that. Corey Schneider. And Nikita Zadorov, number /249, rookie selection, dual jersey auto. Mark Kundari. And Alexei Machenko, select rookie. Box numero 1. Yep, bottom one is. Thought I felt one when I put my hand down. Drew LeBlanc and Ilya Brizgalov. Tom Wilson, hot rookie gold. Nice, John Merrill, Prism rookie autograph. John Merrill. And if they're numbered, guys, it's right in the middle under their picture on the back, so it's really hard to see. I mean, you can just look for the rainbow, but Chris Brown, hot rookie. And Chad Billings, select rookie. You're lagging a little bit. Must be a lot of traffic or something. Cameron Schilling and Carl Soderberg, rookie selection. Dual jersey auto number /249. This isn't it. This is a personal. Jussi Jokinen and Elias Lindholm, hot rookie autograph. Anton Belav, Prism. And Nicholas Svedberg, Prism rookie. Saving your hits. Eric Hartzell. This would be a good one if it's auto. Nope. Matt Dumba, rookie gear jersey. Victor Bartley, and Mikhail Grabowski. Danny DeKeyser, and Redo Berra. Here it is, Fatty. What's it gonna be? Hit some Dominion. I don't actually know even what set this is from. Oh, I see. Sean Horkoff. And, ooh, nice. Number 12 of 25, Johan Larsson, Luxury Suite Rookie Prime Jersey Autograph, 12 of 25. Maple Leafs, there you have it, sir.